Yeah, let's go.
Hey guys, we're here in Bangkok, Thailand, shooting the new commercial, Aqua Power Plus, and we have the super duper star with us, Mr. Farhan. Hey Farhan, welcome.
Thanks, Keshav. Very kind intro.
So how does it feel being here, Farhan?
Well, how does it feel being back?
Being back,
yeah,
yes,
we were
being
here
back.
for the last commercial as well. So it's always nice to step out. Beautiful place here we have to ourselves.
It's a beautiful
We're
set.
shooting and working with Razzie again.
Yeah.
His team again. Tasadduq.
Yeah.
I'm working now for the second time with him. So nice, good fun. Great team.
What's your take on the TVC, the commercial?
Well, it's a fun script, most importantly. And I mean, yeah, nice to get to wear some cool clothes, carry a cool phone, hang out with some cool people.
Hang out with a cool client.
Absolutely. So all of that hopefully will transcend and come to the commercial.
It's quite nice. The association has been quite long now. It's been almost 2 years, and this is the sixth.
But I must tell you
Yeah.
that it's been 2 years, but
Yeah.
the way you, as a person to start with, have grown, changed, and somehow taken on this role of handling at least what you do with me,
Yeah.
and with all the mobile technology that's available to you, putting it out there for people, improving it, your platforms, improving your service, improving. Because I remember I even got in touch with you a couple of times.
Yeah.
When people have reached out to me
Yeah.
as the brand ambassador for you.
Yeah.
They've always responded.
Yeah.
And it's always been taken care of. And I'm very, very proud of that. To be associated with a person or a company, that cares about people and cares about their clients.
So kind of you. Thank you so much. That's really kind of you. So yeah, as I was saying, it's been a very long association. Almost 2 years. This is the sixth commercial, if I'm not wrong.
I stopped counting after one.
And yeah, it's been a great association. We love to be related to Farhan in each and every element you are into. And some words on the brand and how do you see the brand going forward and how the brand evolved in the years,
It's evolved a lot, and I think that people who are slightly more technically proficient, are better equipped to answer in terms of technicalities. But for me, truly, just firstly in terms of design, in terms of what every phone subsequently that we are putting out there is offering to a customer, the price at which it's offering them those services and those, how would you call it, that technology. To me, it's an amazing thing because India is an evolving country. Everyone wants a smartphone. So it's nice that they can have access to cutting edge, top of the line technology and have it at a price that's kind of affordable for them. It doesn't really, they don't have to plan for it so much that, they can't do other things that they'd like to do. So, it's a great thing that you're doing. Of course, technologically it's evolved a lot. This one, I believe now it's got a 2 GB.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's and a 4000 mAh battery.
Which means it can stay uncharged for
a user like me, at least 2 days.
For a user like you.
Yeah.
So that means for a user like me, about a week. That's amazing.
But yeah, I think on a serious note, the association with Farhan has been really, really progressive. He's complimented and he's really been like an anchor to the brand. He's really supported the brand and he really helped us taking the brand image, revamping it and taking it to the next level, which was much needed at the time when we were entering the mobile phone market.
Thank you very much. That's very kind. But I truly feel any relationship, any association cannot work or it cannot last unless there is a synergy between the two. So the fact that I compliment the brand is because there's something about the brand that compliments people. So I'm really happy to be here. I love these shoots because they're always fun. And more importantly, again, it's for me the fact that there are people who care about their customers. I think predominantly is one of the most important things.
Sounds good, yeah. And Farhan, what's the reason behind this amazing beard?
Beard? Well, I'm looking for a razor endorsement. So I think, no, I'm just kidding.
You're going to launch one Intex razor coming up.
No, I'm just kidding.
Sharp blade with 4000
No,
mAh.
this is in continuity for Zoya's film. And she needs to do some stills and do some stuff.
Right.
So I can't deal with putting on fake beards and fake mustaches. So I said I'll just grow it out. So this is really a work in progress.
Sounds good, right?
Anything else you want to say?
I think the brand really amazing, and the client himself,
In his unbiased opinion.
Keshav Bansal, has been doing a
I should be
phenomenal
saying
job.
I should be saying that. Keshav Bansal is doing an amazing job. His brand is phenomenal, which is why all of us are here to contribute to this dream.
I think it's cool.
Great, thank you.
Can I have a picture, please?